What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a budget gaming keyboard and mouse combo. The Redragon S107 gaming keyboard and mouse. Sold together on Amazon, the S107 package is a great gaming keyboard and mouse combo for someone looking into highlighting their already fancy schmancy RGB PC gaming setup. So in this video, we'll break it down into the 5W categories. What, where, when, who, and why, and what I think of this Amazon budget combo. Number 1, what is it? They're peripherals. Duh! The S107 combo is a USB wired gaming keyboard and mouse with 104 RGB LED backlit keys providing a mechanical feel. That's right, this keyboard uses a membrane and doesn't have a tactile mechanical key setup. The mouse and keyboard have 7 color settings, 6 backlight effects, and 4 backlight brightness levels with adjustable breathing speed. You can also turn off all the illumination in case you become tired of all the RGBism. The mouse has 6 buttons in total, and 5 of them are reprogrammable with 4 adjustable DPI levels with a maximum setting of 3200. Number 2, who? Who is this package for? Well, it's primarily designed for gamers, but seeing as it's a full keyboard with 104 keys and a numpad section and full F button layout, I suppose accountants could use them too for a while they're crunching your tax returns and taking a break from playing Microsoft Tax Simulator. Number 3, why? Why would you buy this keyboard combo over something else? Well, you'd buy this combo because you're probably looking to spend less than $60 on a keyboard and mouse setup. You want lights, you want RGB, and you want something aggressive gamer style looks. Oh, and there's one more thing I forgot to mention. It comes with a mouse pad. Seriously, what else do you want? Wireless. Number 4, where and when? Okay, so you're already in love with this and you've got your credit card out and you're ready to swipe. Calm down, Poppy. The Redragon S107 combo is available on Amazon.ca and Amazon.com right freaking now. Redragon has their own website, of course, but to purchase it, you'll have to go through Amazon. This isn't a GPU, so you won't have to worry about stocking issues. Order the item on Amazon, you'll probably have it delivered faster than you can disconnect your old keyboard. Now that we've covered the 5 W's, I'll give you my initial feel and opinion of the S107 combo. There are several things I liked about the S107 combo, and several things that annoyed me as well. The pros. In general, this keyboard feels great. The feel and the sound is solid, and it doesn't take up too much room on the desk area despite being a full-size 104 key setup. The mouse is smooth, a bit on the heavy side. This is a bonus for me because I like having a heavier mouse. The mouse also feels much more solid than the keyboard, which tells me there's some sort of difference in the material construction from keyboard to mouse. The mouse is comparable to more expensive mice that I've used in the past, and is really great once you get used to it. Cons. Despite feeling good and sounding semi-tactile, the S107 is a basic membrane style keyboard. This is usually associated with cheaper run-of-the-mill keyboards, which won't fulfill that tactile experience gamers are looking for. If you're looking for that, you won't find it here. So save yourself the disappointment. The RGB effects come with their own gripe. Once the PC is powered down, the S107 won't remember the color combo you had set up and will start with another random color. This might annoy those of you with color-specific setups. God forbid your colors come out of sync. The mouse RGB is also linked to the DPI setting you choose via the middle mouse button, which makes it even harder for color matching. All in all, the Redragon S107 combo is a well-priced budget gaming keyboard mouse combo, with a mouse pad included. I can honestly say that this package would be more of a backup setup or to be used with a secondary PC. It's almost like a gateway keyboard, forcing you to spend money on something better later on. Who wants to buy peripherals again in a few months? I honestly feel like this dragon is no fire-breathing dragon. More of a lazy Komodo dragon that sits on the beach all day and benefits from the dragon family name. If you're on a tight budget and you want something cool with some bells and whistles, then this would be a good buy. Buy it and don't look back. I hope you guys liked the review of the Redragon S107 combo. Please leave me a like, comment, and sub, and stick around for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.